Want- All right. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. What a wonderful morning. I quickly just want to share a testimonial. Rian, if you don't mind. Um, yeah, can I quickly just share your results? Um, no problem. No problem. Okay, okay. So, if I make a mistake, Rian, you can just obviously correct me. Um, okay. So Mr. Rian deposited $2,000 into his trading account. And then he withdrew $300. So he stood on 1,700, I think, or he withdrew $300, yeah. So he was back on $1,700. This morning, he's on $2,400 in only 2 weeks' time. Is it 2 weeks or is it 1 week, meneer Jan? That's $700. That's insane. So really well done. Really well done. And the only thing he's trading is gold.
Yeah, no, so the $300 that I took out was profits. So it
Oh,
was
also
still on,
profits.
it was just profits, and my account is now with just the $2,000 standing on 700 and something in a week.
Profits.
Yeah, let's say 2 weeks.
Yeah, that's amazing. That's really good. Really well done. That's what, 35%? Well done. And the thing is, what's making it really so special is he's not using my trading strategies. He's not using anything that, that are on, the volume profile, whatever. He crafted his own trading strategy. He traded on it for like 3 months on a demo account, 4 months on a demo account. He sent me the results every time. I was like, geez, man, just keep it up. Don't let, moenie groot kop kry nie. And once you start trading live, remember your discipline, the discipline that you had with your demo account, just implement it with your live account. And that's really where we want to get you as every trader. We want you to work on your psychology. We want you to work on your risk management. We won't talk about Rion's risk management. Yeah, but he's doing really good. So I'm really, really happy for him. But yeah, I really hope everyone had a great weekend. I don't know what happened to the Blitzbox. I didn't even. Sorry, everyone, just give me quickly a moment. Um, oh my days. We freaking lost to Argentina in the quarterfinals. We had one of the toughest. What even? Spain won what? Against Fiji. And Great Britain against New Zealand. What even? Oh my word. Don't talk about my risk. Well, yeah, but Rian, really well done. It's really just phenomenal. It's fantastic. Um, so yeah, but yeah, I hope everyone had a great weekend. Um, yeah, it's almost Formula One season again, so I'm really looking forward to that. Now, shall we quickly just do our recap for our Euro USD trade idea? All right. So, if you were really aggressive with your stop loss, when we reached this price level, then you probably would have been stopped out. I got stopped out on one of my trades at break even, the second trade that I took, and the third one I just left. My stop loss wasn't even at break even, it was just below break even, just below this low volume area, and also the previous week's fair value high. I think I moved it like to 1.04390 or 380. Just want to see. Uh, mm. Oh yeah, I left it at 1.04375, around here-ish. Um, because if we did push back, I wanted to see perhaps another reaction at this price level, and then we could have seen that reversal. We didn't get to that level, but we did see that nice reversal. So I'm really happy about that. It's a great way to wake up on a Monday morning and you've kept the trade open over a weekend because I do it, but I don't prefer doing it. I really hate doing it. It's not my type of strategy. I would be in and out within a day, but sometimes if a trade's open a week, a few days or so, then yeah, it, it is what it is. Okay. So really happy with it. GBP USD, we actually looked for this breakout to the upper side and then looked for that if we could see a bounce back to look for a buy. But then we actually came back also, we had a nice correction, nice reversal, and then we had another nice reversal to the upper side. And now we reversed again back towards the 200 exponential moving average. So I'm going to start with our analysis. Okay, I also want to look at USD JPY. USD JPY's analysis played out to perfection last week. I'm also really happy about how USD JPY played out. It's as if the markets are taking a bit more shape. So yeah, but you don't, you don't, yeah, you actually shouldn't think like that because then you will become a bit more confident and sometimes you'll be overconfident. So you should just analyze what's in front of you and make the most out of it. All right, so let's look at the volume profile for the previous week on Euro USD, Monday, Monday, then 9 o'clock towards Friday. nope. 1, 2, 4. There we go. Okay. So beautiful. We basically closed at the point of control, which is actually not that great, but it's fine. And we do have a new week opening gap. Really close towards this level. We also do have fundamental. Oh, it's a climate. No, it's not that bad. Okay, but yeah, we already went above the previous week's highs. Okay, you can see we closed above it, we went above it. So it's actually a quite decent move that we had this morning. Really decent move. I don't know where, like, federal election. I should probably, yeah. Hmm, just hold on for me. Um, I'll get to you just now. Swear I can't pick up anything on the federal election on my side. I'll go do a bit of research about the federal elections, what happened, what came out. Obviously, it was something good. Okay, but yeah, something that will be really. Oh yeah, let me just quickly check for you. It's 68 currently. Okay, but if I drop to 40%, I would like to see it close towards this level. Oh my days. Wow. Oh, beautiful. So yeah, your this is a really high probability trade idea. If we can push back all the way down towards the new week opening gap, the previous week's value area high, and point of control. Like this is a massive confluence area. Like just look at that. That's beautiful. Um, wow. Okay. Yeah, this is really this wow. Yeah, we also do have a low volume area. Let me just mark this again, my greenish color. Was it that green or was this green? Yeah, it was that green. Um, we do have a few low volume areas. This one in particular is standing out for me. Right? Because it's also close to, well, it's literally over the fair value area of the 40% fair value area. Then we have this gap. There's also quite a quite decent one. Then we have this one. I'm not going to look at this one. Yeah, I'm not too bothered with this one currently. And then we also have this one. Now, this is a really interesting one for me because we actually traded around these price levels quite a lot. Like, there we go. Yeah, we traded around this price level quite a lot over here. So this is a really interesting one. But if we can push back towards the new week opening gap, which I do think we will do, then this trade setup is just a phenomenal trade setup. I would look at a long position with my stop loss just below the new week opening gap. One of my first take profits will be at this low volume area. And then my ultimate take profit will probably be the highs of the current week or the highs of today. But this is looking juicy. Okay, so this is for Euro USD, jumping to GBP USD. Um, Monday, Monday, to Friday. there we go. Ooh, ooh, interesting. Interesting. We have a few gaps. I'm not too happy with these type of gap formations. We also have one inside of the fair value area. We also do have a new week opening gap around over this low volume area, also a high volume area. I also just want to mark out this guy, this high volume area. You can see that little node. You can see inside of that price level. Massive volume. And we also use it as a form of resistance and support. We didn't, yeah, we actually closed above it last week. And then we also have our new week opening gap over these two price levels. This looks kind of messy, but it's actually just confluence over confluence over confluence. So also market pushes back towards the new week opening gap. I would like to see us to go fetch the new highs for the current week. And then a trade would look something like this, a really tight stop loss. I would look at the low of this green candle as one of my first take profits, and then my ultimate take profit will be the highs. But I'm feeling way too conservative with this stop loss. Perhaps bring it back inside of this, inside of the fair value area below the. I actually also want to look at something. Yeah. Wow, this area also. So on Euro USD, it looks good on the 40%. And on GBP USD, it looks good on the 68%. But actually on Euro USD, it also looks good on the 68%. Because we are over here with fair value, the value area high. So we might see a reaction off of this price level as well. But this would be the ops, like this is my main point of interest. But yeah, this is looking fantastic. And then if I put it back to 40%, we'll probably be just above this low volume area. Yeah. Okay. So either one of them, if it's this one or if it's this one, I'll be really interested in looking at a position. But this one is more important for me because we have our new week opening gap over here. And we also found some resistance at this area already and support. So this could be money. This is looking extremely good as well on GBP USD and as well as on Euro USD as well. Um, okay, so jumping to USD JPY, I'm only going to look at these three markets. Later, I'll actually look at more commodities. Like I want to look more at, we'll take a closer look at Brent as well. Friday. And my days, I don't have the fingers for this, for the steadiness. Imagine I was a surgeon. There we go. Okay, fair value area way up here with this massive low volume area. We also do have a nice little volume area over here, low volume area, low volume node. But I do think we did already fill it, so I'm not too interested in that. This low volume area could also be really interesting. Okay, then we have this high volume area that I would also take a look at because look at the reactions we had from this price level. I'm gonna make it bluish. Okay, so nothing too interesting for me on USD JPY, but definitely on GBP USD and Euro USD. I'll definitely look for a little scalp on GBP USD because I do think we will reach this level before we reach the level on Euro USD. Okay, so that's going to be it. Thank you so much for participating and joining. As always, it is much appreciated. And again, enjoy your week. Strongs, have a blessed week. And yeah, really again, well done to Rian de Klerk. Fantastic stuff, man. Like really great. That's phenomenal. That's really phenomenal. Okay. But Chop, thank you. Enjoy your morning, and then I'll see you for our New York pre-market analysis session. All right. Cheers, everyone. Take care and be blessed.